What's going on? Welcome back to Street Stance Auto. Giving you guys a little update on what's been going on with the shop, the cars, I guess just life. That was the lowest point of this vehicle now. Broken in, sitting a lot nicer. Almost fender to lip, just about. I did drive her about a good week and a half. Got a Motoza tune going. Got a couple logs. Everything's been looking good. Slight concern. We might have to turn down the dial. I should say, crank down our wastegate. Looking at short-term, long-term fuel trims. No vacuum leaks, no boost leaks. We're gonna boost leak test it anyways, but just from that data alone, the tuner and I agree. Turbo's either tired, wastegate's probably tired, seeing how oily and crusty it was. Very big possibility. We should have just swapped it out when we had the chance, but here we are. Like any Euro enthusiast, we love doing the job 10 times. It is what it is, but drivability, stanceability, everything's looking very solid. We did take her out tonight. Little cruise over here. My favorite is getting a whole front end put on her. I've had this car for about a little over 3 years now. This was my first brand new car. I did take her through a couple blizzards, Michigan blizzards. You know how that is. Very rough. Nothing rust or rot wise, just if I had the old bumper, you'd see a lot of pitting, a lot of cracks. This thing is also very static. So I figured I'd give her some love, show her some love this year. She did sit in the garage all winter. See some Swift springs, some Godspeed coilovers. In the back, I think I got silvers, a whole bunch of other crazy stuff to get her to sit right. Ford F-350 lug studs. Well, yeah, it's my fastest vehicle in the fleet. We've just been busy with a lot of side jobs and so on. I should do a how-to on this. Leave a comment if you guys got Dodge followers too, I'm sure. You want to see a how-to on remove the front bumper fenders. But yeah, I've been slowly picking away at this every weekend. I got that all together today. This bumper has a lot of pieces that I really didn't know about. Old fenders, chopped up, baconed up. We got the new ones way over there, kind of peak. But yeah, another thing you might notice is the shop looks a bit different. You were 100% right. Brought one of my 10 boxes from work home. It did have a PC hooked up. I left it on one of my other boxes, but it does have a smart TV on her. Just fit real nice, you know. I've been meaning to get rid of a lot of old stuff, so brought it home, redid the layout. The old Husky box is over there with supplies and so on. Old wood top. We got our tire machine, tire balancer. We're going to order some welding equipment here. I do have a welder. MIG. Do need to get a TIG. Never TIG a day in my life, but willing to try. Got a plasma cutter. I want to put a little welding table right here. And or kind of mimic that. Order a couple of cabinets like that. So it'll be good use of space. Hide a lot of stuff and make it look a lot better. So it's not finished yet, but we do have a couple of upgrades. Big 4-inch thick side mount intercooler. This is for a Jetta, but we will make it work on the 1.8 B5. But yeah, waiting on a boost leak tester. Ordered a legit kit. Waiting on silicone hoses because I did have to reuse a couple of the old stock OEM ones, but we will see. I did change a lot of the old clamps out and so on. That was not the issue. We're spiking like 15, holding 12. Honestly feels like a very erratic, loose wastegate flapper, so it is what it is. I'm not mad at all. Just doing a bigger turbo, I guess, sooner than later. But yeah, she's been good, reliable. Just busy with life and work. Forgot to give you guys a quick update. What's been going on? How she's been treating me. I know this is the channel favorite. The Jeep's outside, chilling, hanging out, being a good daily driver. But yeah, other than that, next week we should have some parts coming in. Like I said, if you guys do want to see more on the Charger here, that's SRT Scat Pack. Got a lot of bolt-ons and so on. I could also always make a video about. Just might. We'll see. Kind of already did half the job, but guess stay tuned for some more content, B5 content. I'll do some POVs, get some new wheels for this thing. New wheels for the Jeep. I do want to do SRT Hellcat rear diff in this 390 gears. Wanted to play with the gears on this old girl as well. I want to say this one might have a 380 in it, 390. You got to check it out. If not, we got to get some 411s in there. Start sliding it. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for all the support, all the views, the new subscribers. It means a lot. Keep it going. Tune in next week. Thank you, guys.